Barack Obama, the former president of the United States, recently sparked conversation with a striking assessment of Bitcoin, comparing it to the convenience of having a Swiss bank in everyone's pocket. This statement captures the appeal of Bitcoin as well as its potential to alter the financial sector significantly. Let's delve into the essence of this comparison and its implications for the monetary system. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. And as always, we're starting with ETFs information because now it's most sparking news right there on the market. Starting off with BlackRock and Fidelity spot Bitcoin ETFs are the most successful ETFs ever launched by assets accumulated in the first 30 days. IBIT got more than 4,000 Bitcoins, Fidelity getting close with 3,300. Then we go for others as well that we could see over here. Those are not the Bitcoin ETFs, but those just the ETFs that we could see. And basically the iShares Bitcoin Trust by the BlackRock on the first place, and Fidelity's Bitcoin is on the second place. Just in 1 month they accumulated a lot. I'm not saying the actually Bitcoins, the assets, the shares are probably, I don't know what it means, but after 1 month, oh, the millions of dollars. So basically that's what we have over here, $4 million by Fidelity, and around the $3.3 billion by the Fidelity, and the first one was BlackRock, but around $33.7 billion. Okay, let's go for the next one. Remember when Congressman Brett Sherman said the quiet part out loud and admitted the US government makes money out of thin air, but it's okay because they are the US government. Study Bitcoin and protect yourself from infinite government and money created out of thin air. Breaking news, the world's largest Bitcoin mine begins construction in Texas. Riot's Corsicana facility will harness an impressive 1 gigawatt of electricity. The project will cost an estimated $333 million, and it just starts. When they are building such huge mining facilities, this basically means that the market, but that after the halving will happen, we're going to see the market go up because the amount of mining Bitcoins will be less, and they need more resources to mine more Bitcoins, and that's basically what they are investing for. Next up, 193,251 Bitcoin have been gobbled up by the new 9-spot ETF since January 11th. For reference, there will be 657,000 Bitcoin issued in the entire 5th epoch, and your models are set to expire very soon. Also, 84% of all the Bitcoin has not moved over 6 months. Let that sink in. Based on my estimates, in 2024 there will be 218,000 Bitcoins mined. In 2025 there will be 164,250 Bitcoins mined, a total of 382,950 Bitcoins over 2024 and 2025 combined. For BlackRock and Fidelity to allocate 1% of their assets to Bitcoin over the next 2 years, and at a price of 45,000, they will need to buy 3.2 million Bitcoin. This is just one demand source, does not include retail, corporate miners holding, and 10 other sources of demand that may show up. So what happens when an unlimited printables liability crashed into an asset with finality of scarcity higher than the world has ever seen or known? Please get to 1 Bitcoin because the massive bull run is about to start soon. And we can already understand that we are already over 1 million per Bitcoin, and making a new all-time high is just change your fiat measuring stick. And here we could see, I think it's Turkish lira, I don't know, TRY, what is that? If you know, you know. Basically I don't know which currency that is, but as if we could see already, it is going for a new all-time high because of the inflation the currency gets, and the Bitcoin is growing on that one. As if you invested that currency into the Bitcoin, that would have placed you at the new all-time high for a Bitcoin, and every fiat currency is trending to zero against Bitcoin. Some are just faster than the others. You should understand those basics as well. When priced in Bitcoin, US dollars have lost 99.27% of their value since November 2015, and in the past 5 years, USD has lost 92.04%. In the past year, USD has lost 49%, and this is your wake-up call. Your purchasing power is slowly melting away. Stop ignoring Bitcoin because the Bitcoin will save you. Obama likens Bitcoin to portable Swiss banking. So, insights from Obama on cryptocurrency value. The analogy by Obama highlights the revolutionary aspect of Bitcoin as an independent digital currency. The comparison to a Swiss bank account emphasizes Bitcoin's privacy, security, and control, and it grants users over their funds, and providing an unprecedented degree of financial freedom. Bitcoin enables global transactions without traditional financial gatekeepers, offering a level of liberty similar to that of confidential Swiss banking practices. Bitcoin's unique features and accessibility. While Bitcoin and Swiss bank accounts share some characteristics, there are notable differences. Bitcoin operates on trustless blockchain technology, which removes the need for centralized trust by using a decentralized ledger for transaction verification and recording, reducing risks of interference of fraudulent manipulation. Bitcoin also stands out for its capped supply of 21 million coins, contrasting with fiat currencies that can be prone to inflation. The digital currency's limited availability likens it to precious metals, adding value as a potential investment in times of economic instability or fiat devaluation. Challenges ahead for cryptocurrency. Despite the revolutionary prospects, Bitcoin faces criticism and regulatory hurdles with issues such as its association with illicit transactions, volatility, and environmental footprint, calling for increased regulation. Nevertheless, proponents suggest Bitcoin's pseudonymous nature and transparency offer advantages over conventional cash or banking regarding illegal use. As Bitcoin continues to challenge traditional financial systems, Obama's metaphor serves as a poignant indicator of the disruptive potential within the Bitcoin decentralized nature. Regardless of its future role, Bitcoin influence on the finance sector is unmistakable. Also, Bitcoin hits 45k, is 50k next for Bitcoin. So the global digital asset market cap jumped by more than 3% in the last 24 hours to breach the much anticipated $1.7 trillion. The 24-hour trading volume is up by around 30% to stand at $56.5 billion. This surge was backed by Bitcoin's move to reclaim 45,000, however it fell just short of it. Data shows that Bitcoin made a move towards the 45,000 mark on Thursday, and Bitcoin reached levels not seen in almost a month. And it can be expected that the surge is attributed to the steady inflow of cash into US exchange-traded funds. And after initial outflows from the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, these recently approved funds have recorded net inflows for 9 consecutive trading sessions. That's all the information we got on the Bitcoin so far, and if you are interested in more, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more daily updates. See you in the next one, and peace.